This is very small web services developed using Node.js to show the functionality of how API is being built in Node.js. This is my Node.js server running on the localhost. When I click on the localhost, it provides me all the posts from the post table. Let's first check the table structure. Blog is my database, and post, I have got two tables. One is post and one is user. If you see the structure of post table, I have got ID, user ID, title and description, and here I have inserted some dummy data in the post table. Let's check the user table. User table has two users. Now when we send the request to the local server using the postman, we get all the records of the post along with the user object. Now let's check the first record. First is this is post ID, then the user ID, title, descriptions, and I have also got user object along with the post. Now let's check the code behind this. Package.json gets all the dependencies, and the starting point I have defined as an index.js. Let's check the index.js. In index.js I have defined all the requirements as well as routes. If you go to the routes folder, here is the code to get all the data from the post table along with the user object. So by running this query, I get all the data from the post table with user object, with the respective user object. In models table, I have defined the post model as well as post collection, user model as well as user collections. This is very simple, and just for the demo purpose to get all the data. One more thing, I have used Next as well as Bookshelf.js for the demo purpose, and in the backend I am using MySQL database.